Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: Windows 10 or 11 with updates, a charged Xbox Series S controller, and either a USB-C cable or Bluetooth 4.0 plus dongle. Plug the controller into the PC while signed in as an admin, then open Settings and choose Devices so Windows can detect new hardware. Once done, watch for the Xbox wireless controller listing. If it appears, Windows will automatically install drivers. If not, stay here. Next will force driver steps and pairing. Now you pair and ensure drivers match. For Bluetooth, press the controller pair button for 3 to 5 seconds until the front light blinks, then select it in Bluetooth settings. For USB, check Device Manager under Human Interface Devices and Xbox Peripherals. If a yellow icon appears, right-click and update driver via Windows Update or the Microsoft Store's Xbox Accessories app. Once drivers install, test inputs in the game controller's control panel so you can confirm stick and trigger responses. Finish by calibrating and updating firmware. Open game controllers to calibrate axes, then use Xbox Accessories to apply firmware updates. Next, launch Steam Big Picture or a test game to confirm button mapping and vibration. If controls feel off, remap or enable Xbox configuration support in Steam. If things go wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Restart the Bluetooth support service or repair the controller, and if wired, switch USB ports. This clears common connection conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.